Alright, what is going on everyone? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're going to take a look at Sand or Sandbox. It's probably going to be a really quick update video. I'm not going to say too much. There's a little bit that's happened the past 24 hours and just signs of bullishness, I would say, for Sand. But I just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. So basically what I want to say is that we can see Sand is now starting to form the W, and I literally said this in yesterday's video. That when we were down here, I said, well, we could get a breakout soon and just start a movement for a W. I think it was my thumbnail. I generally said that, you know, a move like this to create a W for Sand would just be really good, and it seems likely we get something like this play out. I'll change the lines. You get some of this, you get your price target, get a W pattern, and then from here, you're looking at target. First of all, target past all-time high. Secondly, the target's up here at $10. I think I said $9.80 to be exact. So this is what seems to be playing out. My W, and yeah, since I posted the video, we broke out within a few hours and went up, and it actually went up quite high. But we've had a big pullback in this 4-hourly candle. We have come down quite a bit, but we did go up 20%. But yeah, we're currently down 9% from that, but that's not a big deal, you know. We could have another similar candle to this one, and then following that a green candle, and slowly move up over the next, I would say, like few days and complete this W. But look, all in all, it just seems really good to get this W on its way. The other thing you'd say is, well, if you treat this like a descending wedge, falling wedge, well, we like hit our target as well. So you can say we hit a target and that's been done. So now we're just going to continue to slow move up over the next few days. Hit it around here, I'd say, which is another 24 hours. So another 24 hours, and we could see ourselves up in not only the $7 range, but close to the $8 range. And then if we can just break through, we'll be looking at all-time high levels and beyond that, $8, $9, potentially $10. So the other thing we're looking at, and I've seen, is that we've found ourselves in a symmetrical triangle. And so we could get resistance on the way up to get out. But if we do get out, which a breakout could take place, if we follow this trajectory, maybe around here, somewhere around here, $7. So look at our other chart, we're talking about $7 around here, this part. And so we pass through this and break out. Well, that's just going to be massive for Sand. This obviously would have a big price target as well if we break out. So there could be a bit of confluence here. Just put it about there, you know, the target's at $9.30. And so then you could say, well, between this line and our other line at about $10, well, we could find resistance there. So just below $10 in this region here is where we could find ourselves in our next sort of accumulation. We might see falling wedge, symmetrical triangle, sideways moving channel, whatever it is. That could be like our next target if we can get a breakout from this symmetrical triangle. But it's pretty early days into the triangle, to be fair. So we still could have a ways to go. We could come down, test the line of support again, then go up. As I said, Sand's just so bullish right now, and I mean, this W's playing out, but it's still important not to get too deterministic. There's no guarantee this W will continue to go up, right? And if it did, well, you know, I'd be long in this 50x if it was guaranteed, but it's not guaranteed, obviously. But it's just looking that way, and it's looking really good. And as I said, with the bullishness on Sand and with NFT space continuing to grow, it's just really good signs for Sand. So this is what I'm watching. Quick update on Bitcoin. Here's the falling wedge, and we can see it continuing to move sideways, pretty much same as yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, I did a little bit more analysis on what's going on, but it's pretty much the same. We come out of this falling wedge and we're just moving sideways between these two channels, holding support, constant support, which is really nice. We're wicking through, but that's not a big deal. I could just adjust my line a little if I wanted. But basically this $56,000 range is where we get our support. So we could just be consolidating here before we get a big move up. And as I said, the price target is, again, it's 68,000. We can see something like that play out. If Bitcoin decides to go to even 58k, 59k, I'm sure Sand speculatively could just do a move like this. Big parabolic move and get up to that level. And then if we can break through, well, then we're really talking about all-time highs and beyond, which is really good for Sand. So I'll probably just leave it there. I'll do another video tomorrow and we'll take a look at what Sand's doing, if it's changed at all. And yeah, I'll let you know. So please like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.